Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of new launch project Arham Arya by Mahavir Group located in Chembur. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the construction is in full swing. This is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acres that will have one tower with ground plus 14 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Ahobila Math, near Diamond Garden, Chembur, from where Eastern Express Highway is only at a distance of 7 minutes. Diamond Garden Metro Station is only at a distance of 3 minutes.
K-Star Mall
is only at a distance of 2 minutes and Chembur Railway Station is only at a distance of 5 minutes from the project. Talking about the amenities in this project has 45 plus amenities with gym, indoor games, kids play area and many more. Talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 779 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1043 square feet. And also Jodi options are available. Also, to know about pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing. They will also show you the sample flat and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Arham Arya by Mahavir Group located in Chembur.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.